Welcome to Evo AI. If you're watching this, you're one step closer to an opportunity that can change your life.
Hi! Ako si Clars ng Evo AI and I want to personally welcome you sa next step ng journey mo. Before tayo magsimula, kailangan mo lang gawin ang 2 simple steps na to. Step 1, mag-fill up ka lang ng form dyan sa baba para may idea kami kung taga saan ka at kung papaano ka matutulungan ng Evo AI. Step 2, on the confirmation message, i-click mo lang yung cal.com para makapili ka ng schedule na swak para sa'yo at isa sa mga affiliates namin na mag-a-assist sa'yo personally. Super dali lang, fill up ng form, choose a schedule, and we'll take care of the rest. Kita-kits! Bye!
Again,
Submit the form.
lock in your schedule.
And let's get you started!
This is Evo AI, where growth happens fast.
See you inside!